So, we are redoing this flexzilla hose, part number RP900500-BAL. I like the flexzilla brand, except for this piece right here, kinks, and it lets air escape. This is probably the third or fourth one that I've done. I've not contacted them to tell them that they need to fix it. I just keep replacing it. Mostly because, well, let's face it, nobody's really that high up on the food chain. But, you know what? I'll probably just talk to them and give them a whirl. But anyway, so what you want to do is clamp this inner middle piece. Here, I'll show you. The thing I really love about the flexzilla is that the hose is half or if not more the weight. But what it does, if I can show you here, is you put this one on and you put this hose into it and it squishes that rubber against this piece here, therefore making a seal. Really great overall, except for your weakest link, which happens to be right in here, which I'm not sure. You should have that. I don't know. Let's tear it apart. Use the many millimeters and just expand it out. Voila. So because I'm not reusing, or I'm reusing everything, all I do is make sure I get the same. Oh, they must have got rid of that. They got rid of that design. Maybe they did. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like they stiffened it. It looks like they stiffened it, so they might have figured out their errors of their ways. So anyway. In here, which isn't always a bad thing. Okay, so all you do, put this piece in here, and you put this piece up here, and it's squishing that piece just enough. Yep, and they got rid of that piece. So I don't have to call them and talk to them, which is great. The less people you have to talk to, the better. And then you put that on. Voila, this is pipe thread. So you put a little pipe thread across there, and I can show you the best way to do it. Okay, this is the absolute best way to put pipe thread on ever. What you do is you just lay this stuff on. Lay this on. Okay? Right or wrong. Then you act like you're screwing this piece in. So it needs to go this way. So it's opposite of what you're thinking it is. And poof, this stuff goes on, and as it goes on, it tightens instead of unthreading, because you'll notice if you do it the wrong way, it'll self-unthread. So, unthread it, or thread it, and then put this piece on, like so, and poof. Pretty simple. And of course, I'm using the mighty millimeters, or many millimeters. don't remember the one for inches, but yep, there she be. Then she's back to new and you can reuse it, but literally this thing is light, just super light. This is 10 feet. If I could have done it again, probably grab, 15, 20 feet, but I love it for the lightweight. Anyway, like always, jack of all trades, master of none. See ya.